So today we're going to talk about treble clef, just the beginning of the treble clef, and we're going to talk about the rhythm notes for the musical notation. Treble clef is this symbol here that you see on the left side of the music staff. Music staff is the group of 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the treble clef signature is on the second line of the music staff, and we count from the bottom to top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The name of the lines are E, G, B, D, F. Mi, Sol, Si, Re, Fa. For the lines and for the spaces F, A, C, E, Fa, La, Do, Mi. Now the rhythm notes that we have is whole note is one circle, whole note, half a note or minima, quarter note, eighth notes, 16th notes, and 32nd notes. I want to show them 30 seconds. Together with the notes, we have the rest or pause. So the whole rest is located below the line number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have this square here. Is the whole rest. Half a rest is above the third line. 1, 2, 3, above, which means whole rest and half a rest are in the same space. That's the third space. Whole rest, half a rest, quarter rest, eighth rest, 16th rest. So from the eighth rest, you have like the crochet is on the left side. The difference between the design of rest and note, rest does not have a head, so it's behead. See, a whole note is one open circle. Half note is the circle with the stem. Quarter note is the covered, or I'm not sure how to say that in English. Head and the stem. Eighth, let me just write on eighth note here. One eighth note has head, the colored head, stem, and crochet, or that flag. 16th note, let me put here on 16th note. 16th note has the colored head, one stem, and 2 flags or 2 crochets. And the rest is 2 flags here on the left side, no head and just a stem. 16th rest, 8th rest, quarter rest, half a rest. That is the 16th rest and 16th note. 32nd note. Let me write one, just one here. Thirty-second note is a colored head with a stem and 3 flags or 3 crochets. This information you can find on the Muccio Clementi, The Art of Playing Piano, on the preface. I do not know exactly what page, let me just find it here, sorry. I'll post this file here on your canvas. Okay, on the preface, printed page 8, on the preview is page 11. the duration of those notes. So half a note is half of the whole note. Quarter note is half of the half a note, and one quarter of the whole note. Eighth note is half of the quarter note, one quarter of the half a note, and eighth note of the whole note. What this means in music? How do I perform? For example, we are going to use as a referential quarter note. One whole note is equal to 4 quarter notes. So the ta, 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 here, ta, 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 ta. I do not have enough practice on my tongue to do the 30-second note, but you got the idea. So how further I go from the whole note is going to be faster. So here is it's half a note, but it's the double in speed of the whole note. Quarter note is one quarter of the whole note, is 4 times faster than the whole note. And the quarter note is twice as faster from the half a note. Eighth note is the double faster than the quarter note and 4 times faster than the half a note, 8 times faster than the whole note. I'm going to give an example here. Regarding the eighth note, we also can have the eighth note in triplets. Instead, you have two equal, because 2 eighth note is equal of 1 quarter note. Let me put it here. 1 quarter note is equal of 2 eighth notes. And 1 quarter note also is equal of 3 eighth notes that we call triplets. And also 1 quarter note is equal to 4 16th notes. So ta 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 ta. Again, ta 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 ta. Let's listen to one example. One example of triplets. 16th note. Start with the 16th note on the Moonlight Sonata by Beethoven, playing with the electric guitar by Tina S. I put from the beginning, sorry. That's the 16th note. The chord is ta 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 ta. Now the 16th note, let me put. Those are the 16th note. I'll leave the link on the description of this video. Okay, let's give one applause for the outstanding performance of this person. Very, very good. So those are that. So the 16th note and its variations. In one of the assignments, you have the Paul Hindemith exercise. This is the exercise 10, letter A. So ta 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 ta. For you to do that, so you record this way. Ta 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 ta. For example,